Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you top 10 best altcoins for this mega bull run that I'm also holding, and there will be a bonus meme coin because this channel is mostly make meme coins videos for you. So no doubt I will also share you one meme coin. There will be bonus. So total 11 altcoins in this video that I'm also holding here, and you can buy all these coins on KuCoin Exchange. So KuCoin Exchange and CoinEx Exchange links are already given in description, so you can sign up on both central exchanges if you want to trade these coins. So without wasting time, our first coin is, you see friends, is Sidus. Okay, you can see gaming coin. Right now this coin is in massive dip here. Okay, current price 0.3 times $0.93, and due to recent BTC dump, this coin is also dumped here. Before that price was with 2 zeros, but right now due to this dump, you can see chart is also looking good. This is gaming coin. You can see play to earn P2E gaming metaverse coin. Current market cap just $12.7 million. So super low cap coin and highly risky, no doubt, and maybe it's possible that we can see this coin to move upward if we see gaming hype in crypto market, gaming category coins in hype. Then definitely Sidus can perform good, and all-time high price was $0.1. Right now you can see friends, price is 3 zeros. If I sell out my all coins at this all-time high price, okay, so that was $0.1, then my amount will be converted in $35,000. So this is really good. So first one is Sidus. Friends, second one is XDC. Okay, you can see $36 worth XDC I'm holding in my KuCoin Exchange, 500 XDC coin, and I buy this coin I think in 2022's bear market. I'm still holding this coin. You can see RWA category coin because this category is new, facing its first mega bull run this coin this year. And you can check out all further details by yourself on CoinGo and CoinMarket also, that this is good project. Friends, third one is Kaspa. Okay, layer 1 chain, current price $0.1. So you can see friends, I'm also holding Kaspa, and last 24-hour trading volume on KuCoin Exchange is 4.4 million. Current market $3.1 billion. Okay, $3.1 billion. But friends, I think this is a coin that has potential to be the next 100 billion or maybe $150 billion market coin. The current market ranking is 24, but I think in this year mega bull, maybe Kaspa can be top 10 coin also. It's really possible that we can see Kaspa in top 10 coins. They can see friends, they are one chain. Okay, Kaspa is layer 1 chain, and I did not show you my holding. I show you now 156. Okay, you can see friends, 156 Kaspa, worth about $18. I also buy this coin to bear market around $5 worth. Friends, fourth one is Decentraland, Mana, and other old meme coin. You can see I have $30, 30 coin worth about just $10. And this is Gamify and the Metaverse coin. You can see friends, gaming, Metaverse, Polygon ecosystem coin. Current market cap $677 million. Market cap is already huge, $5.6 all-time high. So this is good, $5.6 all-time high. If I sell out my all coins at all-time high price, you can see friends, that was $6. So my amount will convert in 191. So we almost right now I think 20x down, then it's all-time high. So Mana has also potential to be the next big coin. Friends, next one, a big time. You can see big time. I have 114 for 34. Okay, 134 big time coins in my KuCoin Exchange, and coins looking good, chart is good. Another gaming coin. You can see friends, gaming blockchain based gaming coin, and this is good. Current market $147 million. Okay, so market cap is good. All-time high price of $0.98, means around $1, and right now $0.7. If I sell out my old coins at this current all-time high price, then my old will be converted into $134. So this is good. So big time is also good coin. Friends, fifth one is Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance, FET's name. Before that, this coin was Ocean Protocol and Fetch AI. And third one is also mixed. I don't remember that, but right now all three coins are mixed into one, and the symbol is FET. I have 12 coins worth about $9.6, and this coin has also potential to be the next big crypto. You can see friends, okay, that this is AI and big data coin. already market cap is $3.2 billion. Okay, $3.2 billion market cap, but I think just like Casper has potential to be the next $100 billion coin. Okay, in this year mega bullion, it's really possible this Fetch coin can reach $100 billion market cap. Seventh one is Vanry 235 Vanry coin. I'm holding current worth about just $9. You can check out all details here. Okay, that Vanry is also Chan. You can see current market cap 75 million, only $75 million market cap for Vanry. All time high price was $1.2, but right now coin is dumped. You can see current price just $0.03. So Vanry can also be good altcoin for this mega bull run. Friends, eighth one is another super low cap coin. Its name is Baico, and this is Bioeconomy Exchange native coin, as we have BNB, Binance native coin, and other Central exchanges. So maybe in this bull run, this Central exchange coin can perform good. You can see, friends, current market cap only $123 million. If we compare with this coin with BNB, so this is super low cap coin. All time high price was $21. Okay, you can see, friends, its current price is just $0.1, but all time high price was $21. If I sell out my all coins at $21 price, okay, 21, so my amount will be converted into $14. Okay, $1,400, just $8 to $1,400 if Baico can hit its all time high. Friends, ninth is TokenFi Floki ecosystem coin, and one of my most favorite coin in this list. You can see 245 TokenFi coins I'm holding, and this is RWA coin and Floki ecosystem coin. So this is good. You can check out all details here. Current market cap just 21 million only, but I think this coin has potential to be the next $5 to $10 billion coin, because not a meme coin, has RWA category coin, so has potential to be the next 5 to maybe $10 billion market cap coin. And first last one is Maria. You can see gaming coin. Okay, and just like Mana, you can see, friends, another gaming coin. Current market cap just 30 million. So right now this coin is also in this bottom. All time high price was $0.01, and right now you can see current price is 0.3 times $0.9. So Varia right now is in massive dip, but has potential to be the next $1 billion market cap coin. Friends, bonus coin is Katine Dogs, where this is a meme coin. You can see Muse symbol. This is a meme coin. I'm holding 1600 Mew coin in my KuCoin exchange. You can check out chart also. Chart's looking good, and this meme coin has potential to be the next big meme coin. I think more than $300 million market cap right now for this coin. I think $370 million market cap for this coin. It's still not on Binance Coinbase, but maybe we can see its listing on Binance Coinbase this year. Solana ecosystem Cat3 meme coin, and this coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market cap coin, no doubt, and can next listing for Binance and Coinbase also. So these are overall top 11 coins that I'm holding on KuCoin exchange. And friends, this video is no any financial advice video. If you're not making investment any of these coins, do your own research and then invest here.